Sammy Hagar and George Thorogood. And the Destroyers. I shouldn't forget about the Destroyers. They're important. So, as you know, as is customary, I brought some bubbles. And nobody else in the parking lot wants to drink. Domaine Jean-Marc Bernhard, Brut Reserve Cremant d'Alsace. So normally I try to drink pink bubbles, right, for some of these shows, but this one, I feel like this is a little more upscale, right? Sammy Hagar, yeah, he belongs, you know, he's a little more high class. You know, he's got a tequila brand. Anyway, we'll see what this one tastes like. I already had you can't see this, but it's a nice golden color. You know, it's obscured by the red, the solo cup.
All right.
Pretty fabulous. It's like bitter apples. It's a winner. Lovely bubbles. Bitter apples. 12.5% alcohol.
Ooh.
Very easy to drink. I would say it's perfect for a Sammy Hagar tailgate, but also perfect for, you know, hanging out by the pool.
Yeah.
And,
What about a Slipknot tailgate?
No, Slipknot tailgate, no. We gotta get pink. Slipknot tailgate needs pink bubbles. That's it. Thanks for watching.